Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone using either iTunes or Finder on your Mac. First, you're going to go into settings and you're going to tap here and make sure you sign out of your Apple ID first. Once that's done, we can close out of settings. We're going to connect our phone to the computer via a USB cable. USB is connected to the Mac. We're going to go to the Finder, or if you're using a Windows PC, go to iTunes, select the iPhone, and select Restore iPhone. You can either select backup or don't backup. In this case, we're not going to back up. Are you sure you want to restore this iPhone to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased. Restore. Next, agree, and it's begun downloading the IPSW file for the iPhone. Once that's done, we'll be back. Okay, it is now extracting the software, preparing iPhone for restore. This video is sponsored by TapMob. If you go to the link in the description, it's going to take you to my link tree where you can then click on this offer right here. That's going to send you $750 to your Cash App instantly once you complete 20 deals. All you have to do is enter your email and complete 20 deals. Thanks again, TapMob, for sponsoring this video. The phone is just shut off. It's going to come up with an Apple logo and a progress bar to let you know that it is erasing all the data off this phone. We'll be back when it's complete. Verifying iPhone software. Verifying iPhone restore. And your iPhone has been restored to its factory settings and is restarted. We now have another progress bar on the iPhone. Once this is finished, we'll be at the iOS setup screen. We're now at this iOS setup screen and the phone is ready to be reset up, sold, or given to anybody you like. That's how you factory reset your iPhone.